10 JavaScript array methods you use every day. JavaScript arrays. You love them. You hate them. You definitely misuse them. Today, I'll show you 10 JavaScript array methods you probably use every day, or should be using, to write cleaner, shorter, and more readable code. No theory, no boring slides, just real examples, real concepts, and real developer energy. Let's go. 1. Map. Transform everything. If you don't know map, you don't know JavaScript. Map takes an array and transforms each item into something else. You describe how each element should change, and map returns a new array with the transformed values. Important rule: map never mutates the original array. If you're preparing data for UI, charts, or APIs, map is your best friend. 2. Filter. Keep what matters. Filter removes garbage. You provide a condition. If it returns true, the item stays. If false, it's gone. This method is perfect for search results, permissions, visibility logic, feature flags. If you're still using loops for this, there is a better way. 3. Reduce. The boss method. Yes, reduce. The final boss. It looks scary, but it's one of the most powerful tools in JavaScript. Reduce can turn an array into anything. A number, an object, another array, or something completely custom. You don't need it every day, but when you do, nothing else replaces it. 4. forEach. Do something, don't return. forEach is not map. Say it with me. forEach does not return a new array. It exists purely for side effects. Use it for logging, analytics, debugging, DOM interactions. If you're trying to return values from forEach, you're using the wrong tool. 5. Find. One item, not all. Sometimes you don't want a list. You want one specific item. That's what find does. It returns the first matching element, or undefined if nothing matches. This is perfect for finding by ID, routes, authentication, configuration lookups, clean and readable. 6. Sum. At least one? Sum answers one simple question. Does at least one item match this condition? It returns true or false. This is great for permission checks, feature toggles, validation logic. No flags, no loops, just intent. 7. Every, all or nothing. Every is the strict version of sum. It checks if all items pass the condition. If even one fails, the result is false. Perfect for form validation, access control, data consistency checks. Very readable, very expressive. 8. Includes simple checks. Sometimes you just want to know, is this value here? That's exactly what includes does. It's clean, it's obvious, it's readable, and yes, it's better than the old index-based checks. This isn't 2012 anymore. 9. Sort. Dangerous but useful. Sort is useful, but it's also dangerous. By default, JavaScript sorts values as strings, not numbers. Even worse, sort mutates the original array. That means unexpected bugs. If you're not careful, always know what you're sorting and whether mutation is acceptable. 10. Slice. Copy like a pro. Slice creates a shallow copy of an array. Why is this important? Because mutation bugs destroy applications. If you work with React, state management, immutable data, you'll use slice all the time. Clean code starts with immutability. Final thoughts. If you master just these 10 array methods, you're already ahead of most beginners. Real JavaScript is not about clever tricks, complex loops, confusing logic. It's about clarity, readability, intent. Write code that explains itself. And remember, if your array logic needs 3 loops, you're probably doing it wrong. Thanks for watching. Now go refactor your code. And yes, you definitely used map wrong last week.